Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to change the modifier key for the Magnifier tool in Windows 10. The Magnifier tool is a great accessibility feature that allows you to zoom in on your screen for better visibility. Let's get started. Step 1. Click on the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then click on Settings. This will open up the Settings menu. Step 2. In the Settings menu, click on Ease of Access. This will open up the Ease of Access settings. Step 3. Scroll down and click on Magnifier in the left-hand menu. This will open up the Magnifier settings. Step 4. In the Magnifier settings, scroll down to the Reading section. Here you will find the option to choose a modifier key. Step 5. Under Choose a Modifier Key, click on the drop-down menu and select the desired key that you want to use as the modifier key for the Magnifier tool. Step 6. Remember to make sure that the Magnifier tool is turned on for this feature to work. You can easily toggle the Magnifier tool on or off in the Magnifier settings. And that's it. You have successfully changed the modifier key for the Magnifier tool in Windows 10. Now, you can use the key you selected to activate the Magnifier tool and zoom in on your screen whenever you need it. Changing the modifier key gives you more flexibility and customization options for using the Magnifier tool. Experiment with different keys to find the one that works best for you. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.